Good day everyone, welcome to Video Tutorials presentation on Photoshop using the clipping mask. Now let's take a look at the Photoshop program itself. Here we have the background that we'll be using for the clipping mask tutorial. First let's click on the text tool, then we type some text. Let's say I type forest. Let's click on the move tool and adjust where the forest to the center. Then we press Ctrl T to use free transform. And we will now adjust the size of the text that we'll be using for the clipping mask. Okay, then press enter to apply the transformation. Now let's go to the layer palette. Okay, now we select the background layer and move it above the text that will be used as the clipping mask. Then we press the alternate key and click in between the two layers, so that now the text for forest will be used as a mask to clip out from the background that is placed in front of that is placed above it, ironically. Okay, now how can we make this look a bit better? Well, what we can do is we select the text tool, then we can apply layer styles to it. Let's select blending options. Let's give it drop shadow, inner shadow, outer glow, inner glow, bevel, emboss. Actually, it's up to you what layer style you want to use. I just want to use them all at once. Then click OK. You can see it makes it a bit more three-dimensional. Okay, then let's say you don't want to use just the clipping mask alone. You don't want just the background to be all transparent. Well, what you can do is you can click and drag this over the new layer button to duplicate another layer. Then shift and then click and drag this new layer below the text layer. Then you can see the background at the back. Okay, now what you can also do is you can select the layer that's used as the background for the clipping mask itself. Then you can move that layer around like this. Okay, just to give a different background to be used to be clipped out. And that's all for today. That's how you do clipping mask. Thank you for listening.